This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tina Pritchett. Updated 4-sided brick ranch on 2.53 acres and just minutes to town in country setting of vineyards and rolling pastures. Completely rewired, replumbed, HVAC replaced. Brand new flooring, interior paint, range and kitchen countertops. Renovated kitchen has stainless steel appliances, generous cabinets, large pantry. Move-in condition, vacant and easy to view. For more information, review the details below or contact Tina Pritchett at 706-889-7298.